President Joe Biden says that he understands Americans are frustrated. He responded to reporters after giving a speech on COVID-19 booster shots and before a White House meeting with world leaders from India, Japan, and Australia, an Indo-Pacific alliance known as the Quad. White House correspondent Owen Jensen reports. Owen?
Tracy, in a speech this morning, President Joe Biden implored those now eligible for COVID-19 booster shots to get them. At the same time, blamed unnamed elected officials for undermining the fight against COVID.
A first-of-its-kind event. President Joe Biden hosts a Quad Leaders Summit at the White House. He invited the prime ministers of Japan, India, and Australia to discuss everything from cyberspace to climate change.
We're four major democracies with a long history of cooperation. We know how to get things done, and we are up to the challenge.
The president also has been meeting individually with each of the prime ministers. A key topic, the response to COVID-19. Earlier in the day, the president talked about immunizations for Americans.
The booster shot is free and easily accessible.
The Centers for Disease Control and Prevention now endorsing a third dose of Pfizer's COVID-19 vaccine to people 65 and older, nursing home residents, medically vulnerable adults, and people whose jobs increase their risk of contracting the virus. President Biden also went after the unvaccinated.
And they are causing a lot of damage. The unvaccinated overcrowd our hospitals, overrunning emergency rooms and intensive care units.
The White House COVID-19 response team adding,
"We will not boost our way out of this pandemic. Infections among the unvaccinated continue to fuel this pandemic, resulting in a rising number of cases, hospitalizations, and deaths where people are unvaccinated."
While cheering the boosters, the president also said afterwards in a Q&A with reporters, he understands that people are
frustrated by, I thought this was going to be better. I thought everything was working out. We were moving along on COVID-19.
Now, the president also said he's moving forward with vaccination requirements wherever he can. That's drawing plenty of criticism from those who feel getting a shot is better left up for them to decide. At the White House, Owen Jensen, EWTN News Nightly.